In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show client logos on WordPress.com. We'll walk through each step to ensure that your WordPress site proudly displays the logos of companies you work with. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of how to create a logo showcase slider for your website, which can be a great addition to your homepage or a dedicated partners page. To start, let's head over to WordPress.com. You can do this by opening your browser and searching for WordPress.com login. Once there, sign into your account as you normally would. Next, you'll want to go to the admin page for your site. This is typically located at localhost/WordPress WP admin, but be sure to adjust the URL based on your site's specific setup. After you've logged in and accessed the WordPress dashboard, look for the Plugins section in the left-hand menu. Click there, then select Add Plugin. In the plugin repository, type Logo Slider into the search box. This tool will allow you to easily display client logos on your website. From the search results, find the plugin that suits your needs and click Install Now. Once that's done, be sure to activate it by clicking Activate if you haven't already done so. With the plugin activated, you'll now have a new menu option for Logo Slider. Click on it and then select Add New Logo. This is where you'll start building your slider. First, you'll type in the name of the logo or the client company name into the title field. This helps you keep track of each logo you add. Next, click on Set Featured Image. You'll see an option to upload files. Select this and click on Select Files to browse images stored on your computer. Choose your client's logo file, and once it uploads, click Set Featured Image. This action links the image with the logo entry you're creating. It's best to ensure your logo files are optimized for web use, usually in .png or .jpg formats, to keep your site running smoothly. Once the image is set, there's a space to enter the brand name, the brand's URL, a brief description, and any additional tooltip text. Enter these details to offer additional context for each logo. Tooltips provide further information when visitors hover over a logo, which is a nice interactive touch. Once you've added all the details, you'll see the option to add custom fields. Select Font Dadi from the drop-down, then click Value and Add Custom Field to include any extra metadata that might be necessary. Repeat these steps for each client logo you want to display. And just like that, your WordPress site now features a stylish and responsive logo slider showcasing your valued clients. This addition not only enhances your site's visual appeal, but also builds trust with potential customers by demonstrating established partnerships.